Looky what we have here. A beautiful mushroom growing on this dead tree stump. For today's adventure, we stopped at the Lost River Caves in Bowling Green, Kentucky. They have a beautiful nature trail, and that's what we're going to be walking today. If you want to do the boat tour through the caves, you have to go to the visitor center. It's free to walk the trails, and there is a gift shop. There's a choice between the upper trail and the Blue Hole Trail. Which is the road less traveled? We found the butterfly habitat. Back there's the butterfly habitat. There's a little house here, and there's a trail that way. And two trails down that way. Which one should we take? It's been a bit rainy. It was even raining this morning. Part of the trail is muddy. But we just found the Lost River Spring. This is bubbling out from between layers of limestone. This spring rises from an isolated underground water source and joins the Lost River at Blue Hole 1. So the water starts right over here, coming out of that cave, and runs down the way. And there she is. There's also a little bit coming out over here. We walked around the other side of the buttonhole of the, I think it's called the Blue Water Loop or something like that. It was on a sign back there. And the water leads to this area, which is definitely an entrance to a cave. That water's got to go somewhere. So this water is coming this way. And some of the water looks like it's coming that way, but you can see it's rushing really fast over here. And some of these people who do the spelunking, they are not above doing scuba diving to see, is there a bottom here? Does it go anywhere? Gotta watch my step. Oh, the mosquitoes are getting her. Just keep moving so the mosquitoes don't get us. The sun is starting to shine through. Blue hole number 2. Blue holes appear blue when the sunshine reflects off of microscopic particles of limestone dissolved in the water. And I see a ball is down there. Don't like to see when human trash is in these nature preserves. Blue hole number 3 is right here. Blue holes, a karst window, are places where underground rivers are exposed on the surface. Looky what we have here. A beautiful mushroom growing on this dead tree stump. They break it all down and it becomes part of the forest again. After all of that trail walking, we decided to get a treat at Cheney's Dairy Barn. It's also a country store. They have a huge ice cream shop and a playground out back. This place does get busy, but they do have 2 lines serving the ice cream and lots of flavors to choose from. Since it's so hard to choose just one, we got 3 different flavors. And over there is where the dairy cows are. Isn't that just a beautiful barn? For our next stop, we are going to Franklin, Kentucky. Kentucky is known for its bourbon trail, so we wanted to go to Dueling Grounds Distillery. They have indoor and outdoor seating. And lots of choices for your tasting. We picked these 2 to try for our tasting. And they also give you a little tiny shot of something else. It was super good and super strong. Thanks for watching.